Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Easy Maths by Vijaya. Our topic is exponents and powers. Okay, exercise 13.1, syllabus from NCERT, class 7. Okay, introduction of exponents and powers I explained in previous classes. I will give the link in description and iCards. Okay, if you want that videos, you can. Before we going to start our class, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. See, exercise 13.1. First one. Okay, find the value of, how to read this one, 2 raised to the power 6. Okay, 2 raised to the power 6. Okay, and this one 5 raised to the power 4. I explained in previous classes. This is 5 is base. Okay, this is exponent. Okay, see, let us see examples. 2 raised to the power 6. Okay, find the value of 2 raised to the power 6. How to write this one? 2 into 6 times you have to write 2 raised to the power 6 అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే ఈ పైన 6 ఉంది కదా, ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ 6 ఉంది కదా, ఈ 6 టైమ్స్ ఈ 2ని రాయాలన్నమాట. ఓకే, సి 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, how many times it is? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 times. Okay, and you multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. Okay, write 64. This is the value of 2 raised to the power 6. Okay, this is normal form. This is the value. Okay, and the find 5 raised to the power 4. Okay, 5 raised to the power 4 means you have to write 4 times 5. Okay, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 4 times. Okay, exponent is 4, so write 4 times. 1 2 3 4. Okay, now multiply. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625. Okay, 625. This is the value of 5 raised to the power 4. Okay, now clear? And second one in exercise 13.1, second question. Okay, express the following exponential form. Okay, these are in normal form. Okay, you have to write the exponential form. Exponential form means this form. In this form we have to write. Okay, a to the power of x, like that. This is the exponential form. Okay, ఈ షేప్లో మనం ఈ నెంబర్ని ఇచ్చిన నెంబర్ని రాయాలన్నమాట. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఎక్స్పోనెంటల్ ఫామ్. ఓకే, రైట్. సి దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ 6. ఓకే, 6 టేక్ యాజ్ ఏ బేస్. 6 టేక్ యాజ్ ఏ బేస్. ఓకే, and how many 6 are there? 1 2 3 4. Right, 4 as a exponent. Okay, how to read this one? 6 raised to the power 4. Okay, this is the exponential form of this value. Okay, and write here 5 into 5, 7 into 7. Here different numbers, 2 5s 3 7s. So write, how to write? 5, first you take 5 5s. How many 5s are there? First you write 5. Okay, 5 as take a base. This is base. And how many 5s are there? 1 2. Right, so write 2 as a exponent. And again take 7. Take 7 as write into and take 7 as a base. And how many 7s are there? 1 2 3. So take 3 as a exponent. And again same as it is here. It is in algebraic form. Okay, so write, what is that? A C D. 3 variables are there. So write how many A's are there. First take A as a base. Okay, now how many A's are there? 1 2 3. Write 3 as a exponent. Write into. Okay, and again how many C's are there? 1 2 3 4. Write 4 as a exponent. Okay, and again write into. D, only one D is there, so D raised to the power 1. A cube, how to read this one? A cube c raised to the power 4 d. Okay, and also you can write this one also, 5 square 7 cube. Okay, this is the simple. Okay, third one, express each of the following number using exponential notation. Okay, exponential notation or exponential form, whatever it is. Okay, these are in normal form. Okay, this is a number. This number we have to write in exponential form. ఓకే, ఇది మనకి 512 అనేది నార్మల్ నెంబర్లో ఉంది. ఓకే, నార్మల్ నెంబర్ ఇది. దీన్ని మనం ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ ఫామ్లో రాయాలంటే ఏ టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఏ రేజ్ టు ద పవర్ ఎక్స్ షేప్లో మనం దీన్ని రాయాలి. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ద ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ నోటేషన్. ఓకే, సో రైట్ 5. హౌ టు రైట్ దిస్? 512 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు రైట్ LCM. ఓకే, రైట్ LCM. హౌ టు రైట్ LCM? 512. Okay, first take in ones place there is 2, so it is dividing with 2, so take 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Okay, 2 2s are 4. Okay, again remaining 1, 11. 2 5s are 10. Okay, remaining 1, 12. 2 6s are 12, like. Okay, again 2, take 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1 28. Again take 2. 2 6s are 12. Take 2 numbers here. Okay, 2 4s are 8. Again take 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again take 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 8, 2 8s are 16. Okay, again 2 4s are 2 2s are. Okay, till prime number ఇవన్నీ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ వచ్చే వరకు మనం చేయాలి ఇలా. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రైమ్ ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్. నౌ టేక్ రైట్ 512 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మెనీ టూస్ ఆర్ దేర్? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. సో టేక్ 9 2s. ఓకే, how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 1 more. Okay, now take all are 2s, so take 2 as a base. Okay, 2 as a base. And how many 2s are there? 9 2s. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So write as a 9 as a exponent. So this is the exponential form of 512. Okay, this is the exponential form of 512. This is the answer. And find second one, 729. 729. Now find LCM of 729. Write in prime factorization. Okay, that is, or LCM, whatever that is. Okay, I will rub this one. And again 729. Okay, in ones place there is 9, so it is not dividing with 2, so take 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9 now, so take 3. Again 3 2s are 6, remaining 1, so it is 12. 3 6s are 3 4s are 12, sorry, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Okay, again take 3. 2 1s are, sorry, 2 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Again 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Again take 3. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. Okay, this is the prime factorization of 729. So write 3s. How many 3s are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So write here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 more. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now write 3 as a base. All are 3s here, there is no any other number. Okay, write 3. Write 3 as a base and take how many 3s are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Write 6 as a exponent. So it is the exponential form of 729. Okay, 3 raised to the power 6 is the exponential form of 729. And again take 3125, write as an exponential notation or form, whatever. Okay, 3125. Again take in ones place there is 5, so take 5. 2 is not dividing, 3 is not dividing, 4 also not dividing, so take 5. Okay, 5 6s are 30. Okay, remaining 1, 5 2s are 10, 2, 5 5s are 25. Okay, 625. Again take 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Okay, 5 2s are 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Sorry. Okay, 5 25s are 125. Again 5 5s are 25. Okay, so write how many 2s are there, 1 2 3 4, sorry, how many 5s are there, 1 2 3 4 5. So write 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So take 5 as a base, and how many 5s are there, 5. Okay, how to read this one, 5 raised to the power 5. This is the exponential, 5 raised to the power 5 is the exponential form of 3125. Okay, now fourth question, identify the greater number wherever possible in which of the following. See, identify the greater number. Which is the greater number, 2 raised to the power 8 or 8 raised to the power 2? Which is the greater number in these two exponential forms? So write, how to write, 2 raised to the power 8 is equal to, first take 2 raised to the power 8 is equal to, write 8 times. Okay, exponent is 8, so write 8 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 2 we have to write 8 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 8 2s, and 2 multiply these all numbers. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128, 128 2s are, okay, 16, 1 2 2s are 4, 4 1 5, okay, 2 1s are 2, 256. This is the value, what, 256. Okay, and again take 8 raised to the power 2, 8 raised to the power 2. Okay, write 8 as a 2 times. So 8 8s are 64. Okay, 8 8s are what, 64. 256 and 64. Which is the greater number? 256 is the greater number, greater than, okay, 64. Is it? Yes. This is 2-digit number, 3-digit number. So 256 is the greater than 64. Okay. Therefore, 2 raised to the power 8 is greater than 8 raised to the power 2. Okay. Now you can tell. Okay. So here you can't tell in, if it is in the experimental form లో ఉంటే మనం చెప్పడానికి కష్టం అవుతుంది. సో మనం ఫస్ట్ దీన్ని నార్మల్ ఫామ్లో చేసుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఇట్లా 2 raised to the power 8, 8 raised to the power 2, ఈ రెండు ఉంటే ఇందులో ఏది గ్రేటర్ నెంబర్ అంటే మనకు చెప్పడానికి కొంచెం కష్టంగా అనిపిస్తుంది, ఏదో మనకు అర్థం కాదు. దీన్ని నార్మల్ ఫామ్లో రాసుకోవాలి, ఈ ఫామ్లో రాసుకోవాలి, మనం చేంజ్ చేసుకుని అప్పుడు మనం ఏది గ్రేటర్ నెంబరో మనం చెప్పొచ్చు. ఓకే, అండ్ టేక్ సెకండ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. 2 raised to the power 10 or 10 raised to the power 2. Which is the greater number? Okay, compare these two numbers now again. Right, 2 raised to the power 10 take. Okay, right, 10 times 2. right? 2 into 2 into 2 into, take 2 as a base, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, how many 2s are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, write 10 times. So exponent is 10, so write 10 times and multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128, 128 2s are how much 128 2s are, okay, till here 1 2 8s are 16, 1 2 2s are 4 5, 2 2 1s are 2. Again take this one, okay, 2, okay, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, write 1, 2 2s are 4, 506. Again take this 2 final, okay, 2 2 6s are 12, right, 2 zeros are 0, write 1, 2 5s are 10, okay, 1 0 1 2, 1 0 1 2, okay, and take 10 raised to the power 2 again, 10 into 10, that is 10 tens are 100, simply you can. Now these are in normal form. Which is the greater number? 100 or 1012. Okay, 1012 is the greater than 100. Okay, so therefore 1012 is the greater than 100. Okay, therefore 2 raised to the power 10 is equal to, is greater than 10 raised to the power 2. Okay, so simply one more example. Suppose 100 raised to the power 2 and 2 raised to the power 100. Which is the greater number? You can tell. So simply you can tell which is the greater number. Base ఏదైతే పెద్దది ఉంటుందో, ఎక్కువ పెద్ద నెంబర్ ఉంటుందో అది ఎప్పుడు కూడా గ్రేటర్ నెంబర్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, బేస్ చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి మనం ఫస్ట్. బేస్ ఇది 100 ఉంది, సారీ, బేస్ ఏదైతే చిన్న నెంబర్ ఉంటుందో అది గ్రేటర్ నెంబర్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, మనం ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి, ఈ విధంగా అడిగినప్పుడు విచ్ ఇస్ ద గ్రేటర్ నెంబర్ అని అడిగినప్పుడు ఎక్స్పోనెంటల్ ఫామ్లో ఉంటే మనం ఫస్ట్ బేస్ చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. బేస్ ఇక్కడ 100 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది. ఏది బేస్ చిన్నది ఉందో, తక్కువ నెంబర్ ఉందో, చిన్న నెంబర్ ఉందో అది గ్రేటర్ నెంబర్ అవుతుంది. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. హియర్ సింప్లీ మనం సమ్మే చేయక్కర్లేదు. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏది పెద్ద నెంబర్ అంటే మనం చెప్పొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ 202 raised to the power 100 is greater than 100 raised to the power 2. If you have any doubt in this situation, you can write in comment box. Okay, see, express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factors. Okay, prime factors same as it is before. How you did like that. Okay, following products powers of their prime factors. 600 and first one was 646. Write this one in prime factorization method. Okay, same as it is. 600 and take 648. Okay, in ones place there is 2, so write 4. In ones place there is 8, so it is dividing with 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 2 4s are, again 2 1s are 6, 2 6s are 2 2s are, again 2 2s are, sorry, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Again this is odd number. Again in ones place there is 1, so it is not dividing with 2, so take 3. 3 is dividing 81, so 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, again 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. Okay, here see, in previous case all numbers are same numbers. Okay, but here డిఫరెంట్ నెంబర్స్. ఇన్ ప్రీవియస్ కేసు ముందు మనకు చేసిన దాంట్లో ఏమొచ్చిందంటే అన్ని 2లు వచ్చినాయి, లేకపోతే అన్ని 3లు వచ్చినాయి, అన్ని 5లు వచ్చినాయి, అట్లా వచ్చినాయి. ఓకే, బట్ హియర్ ఏమైందంటే ఇవి అన్నీ కూడా ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్, బట్ డిఫరెంట్ ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్. 2 వచ్చింది, 3 వచ్చింది. ఓకే, ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ హౌ టు రైట్ దిస్ ఎక్స్పోనెంటల్ ఫామ్? First write how many 2's are there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, write 2 into 2 into 2. Again 3's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 3. So write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now write how many 2's are there. First you take 2 as a base. Okay. And again how many 2's are there. 1, 2, 3. So write 3. Okay. And again take 3 as a base. Okay. Write into 3 as a base. And how many 3's are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 4. Okay. As a exponent. And finally how to write this one. 2 cube 3 raised to the power 4. This is the required answer. Okay. This is the product of powers of their prime factorization. This is okay. And see second one. 540 same as it is. 540 right. Okay. Take 2. 2 2's are 4. 2 7's are 14. Okay. Write 0. Again take 2. 2 1's are 2. 2 3's are 2 5's are. Okay. Again it is not dividing with 2. 3 also. 3 it is dividing. Take 3. 3 4's are 12. 3 5's are. Okay. Again 3. 3 1's are 3. 3 5's are 15. Again take 3. 3 5's are 15. Okay. And again finally 5. 5 1's are 5. So these all are prime numbers. So write here 540 is equal to how many 2's? Write 2 into 2 into 2. Again how many 3's are there. 1 2 3. Write 3. 3's. Okay. And again 5. Okay. Write 5. Now write in exponential form. How many 2's? Write first take 2 as a base. And how many 2's? Write 2. And 3's. Take 3 as a base. 3. And how many 3's are there? Write 3 as a exponent. And write 5. 5 as the only one. So 5 is, so write 1 as the exponent. So how to write this one in exponential form? 2 square 3 cube 5. Okay. 5 to the power of 1 is equal to 5. 5 raised to the power 1 is equal to 5. So this is our required form. Okay. How to read this one? 2 square 3 cube 5. Simplify. Okay. Simplify ante ఇది ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ ఫామ్లో ఉంది. దీన్ని నార్మల్ ఫామ్లో అంటే నంబర్లో రాయాలి మనం. ఓకే. నంబర్లో 500 300 ఏదో సంథింగ్ వస్తుంది కదా, ఆ నంబర్లో రాయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్. సో రైట్ 2 into 10 raised to the power 3. Okay. Simplify this value. 2 into 10 raised to the power 3 means write 10 3 times. Okay. Exponent is 3, so write 3 times. And again here see 2 into 2 10's are 20. Simplify out whatever it is. మీకు ఎట్లా సింపుల్గా ఉంటే అట్లా సింప్లిఫై చేసుకొని మల్టిప్లై చేసి వాల్యూ రాయాలి. ఓకే. 2 10's are నాకు ఇది సింపుల్గా ఉంది కాబట్టి నేను ఎట్లా చేస్తాను. 2 10's are 20. ఓకే. ఇంటూ 10 10's are 100. Again 2 1's are 2. Okay. Write 3 zeros. Okay. 2000. Value is what? 2000. Again 2 raised to the power 4. Okay. How to write this one? 2 raised to the power 4 okay. is equal to 2 raised to the power 4 means write 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. And again write 3 2 times. 3 into 3. Again 2 2's are 4. 4 2's are 8. 8 2's are 16. 16 into 3 3's are 9. 16 9's are what? 16 into 9. Okay. 9 6's are 54. Write 4 5 here. And 9 1's are 9 10 40 144. Okay. 144 is the required answer. And the third one 0 into 10 raised to the power 5. With 0 multiply with 0 any number will get we will get 0. So 0 into any number, that is answer 0. This is our required answer. So 7th question, simplify. Okay. Simplify how to, this is how to read this one. Minus 4 raised to the power, sorry, minus 4 whole cube. Okay. How to read this one? Minus 4 whole cube. This is 3. Okay. So write minus 4 as 3 times. Minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Okay. First multiply symbols. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So write minus. Again 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 16 4s are 4 6s are 24. Write to 4 1s are 4 64. So write minus 64 is our required answer. Okay, minus 64 is our required answer. And second one, simplify minus 3. How to read this one? Minus 3 whole square into minus 5 whole square. Okay, first minus 3 as 3 times, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 5, write 2 times, minus 5 into minus 5. Okay, first write multiply this 2 and again after multiply this 2. Okay, for simplification, for easy method. Minus into minus plus, 3 3s are 9. No need to write plus. Okay, 3 3s are minus into minus plus, so plus no need to write. 3 3s are 9. Again this symbol right here, and minus into minus plus, so no need to write symbol. 5 5s are 25. Okay, 9 25s are 9 5s are 45. Write 4 9 2s are 18 22. Okay, 225. This is our required answers. Okay, compare the following numbers. Okay, 2.7 into 10 raised to the power 12 to 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 8. Okay, compare these two numbers. Okay, which is the greater number? So write 2.7 into 10 raised to the power 12. Take first 2.7 into 10 raised to the power 12. Okay, simplify this number. First I have written 2.7. 2.7 రాసాను, ఏం చేంజ్ చేయలేదు. ఎక్కడ నేను ఏం చేస్తాను అంటే 10 raised to the power 12ని ఒక 10 రాసుకుంటున్నాను ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, అండ్ 10 raised to the power 11 అయింది. ఓకే, 10 ఇక్కడ నేను రాసాను కాబట్టి ఒక 10 మైనస్ పోగా ఇంకా 10 raised to the power 11 ఉంది ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, క్లియర్? నౌ see it becomes 2.7 into 10. 2.7 into 10 మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే పాయింట్ తర్వాత ఒక నెంబర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 10తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఇది 27 అవుతుంది. సపోజ్ 2.74 ఉంటే పాయింట్ తర్వాత 2 నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, సో 100తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఈ డెసిమల్ పోయి 274 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, లైక్ దట్. సపోజ్ 746 ఉంటే 2 పాయింట్ తర్వాత 3 నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 1000తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఈ డెసిమల్ పోయి 2746 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, 2746 అవుతుంది, ఇది వాల్యూ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, 2.746 వచ్చి 1000తో మల్టిప్లై, పాయింట్ తర్వాత 3 digits ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి. అట్లానే ఇక్కడ కూడా పాయింట్ తర్వాత 1 digit ఉంది, సో నేను 10తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాను, సో ఇట్ బికమ్స్ 27. ఓకే, క్లియర్? ఇంటూ 10 raised to the power 11. సో రైట్, this is 2. How many zeros you write? 11 zeros. So suppose 10 raised to the power 11 అంటే 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into still 11 times రాసుకోవాలి మనం. సో 11 zeros వస్తాయి అనమాట. ఓకే, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 zeros like that. Okay, so 27 into write 11 zeros. Write 1 and 11 zeros. Okay, multiply if you want. చెక్ చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటే మీరు మల్టిప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు. 10 into 10 into 10 into వేసుకుని మల్టిప్లై చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, 11 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. ఓకే, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So right, 27. How many zeros are there? 1 2 again 11 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, write this one. This is the value. Okay, write 2 commas like this is the value, and write 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 8. Again same as it is. Write 110 and 10 raised to the power 7. Okay, 110 వచ్చి నేను ఇక్కడ రాసాను కాబట్టి ఇది 10 raised to the power 7 అయింది. సో 1.5 into 10 means it is becomes 15. Okay, 10 raised to the power 7. So it becomes 15, 7 zeros. 10 raised to the power 7 means 7 zeros. So write 15 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So put commas. Okay, now this is the value, which is the, what is this value, which number has more digits, this number. Okay, 2.7 into 10 raised to the power 12 has more digits, so this is the greater number. So therefore finally 2.7 into 12 is greater than 1.5 into 18, sorry, 10 raised to the power 8. This is the required answer. Okay, ఇట్లా మనం కంపేర్ చేయొచ్చు, లేకపోతే మనం ఇక్కడ ఇలా కూడా చేయొచ్చు. దీన్ని ఈ సింపుల్గా దీన్ని మనం ఎట్లా చేయొచ్చు, ఇక్కడ 27 into 10 raised to the power 12 వచ్చింది, 11 వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ మనకు సింపుల్గా. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ 27 వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ 10 raised to the 7 వచ్చింది, మనకి ఇక్కడే అర్థమైపోతుంది ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, ఇది 27 ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 15 అండ్ అగైన్ 10 వచ్చి 7 జీరోసే ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 11 జీరోస్ ఉంది. సో ఇదే పెద్ద నెంబర్ అవుతుందని మనకు ఫస్టే అర్థమైపోతుంది. ఓకే, సో అలా కూడా మనం చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. I will give the homework. Okay, components and powers. Okay, in exercise 13.1 this is the homework. Okay, I am giving homework. Write in comment box. Okay, first simplify 7 square into 2 square, and second one -4 whole cube, and the third one is compare 4 into 10 raised to the power 14 and 3 into 10 raised to the power 17. మీకు ఇక్కడ ఈ నెంబర్ చూస్తేనే మీకు అర్థమైపోతుంది ఏది గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఉన్నదో మీకు అర్థమైపోతుంది. ఇది వచ్చి ఎక్కువ, ఇది 14 జీరోస్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ 17 జీరోస్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఏది పెద్ద నెంబరో మనకు ఆల్రెడీ అర్థమైపోతుంది, అది కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో చేయండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.